Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Discord application onto your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, doesn't matter which one, but we're going to use Google Chrome for today's tutorial, and you want to search for Discord. Go ahead and just search for it. On the best result here should be discord.com. You can go ahead right onto their homepage, or you can select the download button. So I'm going to go ahead and select download, and then select the blue download for Windows button. Give it a moment to download. It's about 67 megabytes in size. Go ahead and open up that file once it's done downloading. And you can minimize or close out of the web browser too at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that should have been able to download and install Discord. And you just would go ahead and sign in on the desktop app here. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.